Today, we're diving into groundbreaking research that could change how we understand and treat depression, especially in those who have faced traumatic experiences in childhood. Depression is a complex and widespread mental health disorder, often linked to early life trauma. Recent studies have uncovered a potential key player in this connection, a stress-related protein called SGK1. Researchers have found that SGK1 levels are significantly elevated in individuals who have both a history of childhood trauma and depression. This discovery opens up new pathways for developing targeted treatments aimed at this protein. So, what exactly is SGK1 doing in the brain? It's believed that this protein, closely associated with stress responses, might increase the risk of depression and even suicidal behavior in those who have endured traumatic events early in life. A striking finding came when researchers examined the brains of individuals who had died by suicide. Those with a history of childhood trauma had notably higher levels of SGK1, suggesting that this protein could be a crucial biological factor in trauma-related depression. Depression stemming from childhood trauma differs significantly from depression without such a background. Current antidepressant medications often fall short for those with early trauma histories, indicating fundamental differences in the underlying biological processes. According to Drive. Christoph Anker, an assistant professor of clinical neuroscience at Columbia University, these findings pave the way for creating novel treatments specifically targeting this type of depression. Research teams are now working on developing drugs that directly target the SGK1 protein. In animal studies, such treatments have shown promise in preventing depression-like behaviors under chronic stress. This innovative approach highlights the importance of genetic screening to identify individuals who might benefit most from these targeted therapies, potentially enhancing the quality of life for those suffering from trauma-related depression. The discovery of SGK1's role marks a significant step towards personalized treatments for depression tied to childhood trauma. By focusing on this protein, scientists aim to develop more effective medications for those with challenging trauma histories. As research progresses, there's hope for improved treatment and prevention strategies for this vulnerable group, who are at a heightened risk for depression and suicidal tendencies. Thank you for joining us on Science Hub. If you enjoyed this exploration into the science of depression and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content.